Welcome to 4-Minute Meals with yours truly, Chefboi RK. Today is the first episode and we're going to be making an acai bowl. 3 reasons you should make this. Boom, it's fast. Boom, it's healthy. Skinny season, you know? You dig? And then boom, they taste amazing, especially if you follow this recipe. Let's get into it. First things first, get your wine. Cheers. Delicioso. So the first thing we got to do is blend up our acai. I use these acai fruit packs. They're pretty gas. Boom, slap 2 of those bad boys on there. Ditch the bag. Just gonna cut these johns open real quick. Bring this bad boy in here and we're just gonna, just like that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Cover this bad boy up and we're gonna blend her. After we have it sort of mildly blended, this is personal preference. I think it makes it taste better. Gonna grab your banana. Rip this bad boy open. You wanna split your banana in half. Since this end doesn't look too good, slap that in there. And head back over to your blender. Once you get it to a reasonably thick consistency, we're gonna put it back in the fridge until we're ready to actually put it in the bowl so that everything stays nice and cold. While you're in the fridge, you're gonna grab your fruits. For this video, I'm gonna be using mango, strawberry, and banana. You can really use whatever you want. Most of the time I do banana, blueberries, raspberries. That's all up to you. We're gonna cut these johns in half and then in half again. If they're big and thick like this bad boy over here, you know, just get freaky with it. Cut it again. Again, the size is all up to personal preference, but you know, if you want to be a chef master like myself, Chefboi RK, don't be afraid to get freaky with it, you know? You know, maybe for this last one, let's do a little boom, 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 boom. Oh, I'm gonna cut myself. Boom! Take these, put them right back in your bowl. Save those for later. Now snag the banana. We're gonna cut it up just in slices, pretty thick, because you know you want something texture-wise that's, you know, not just like all mushy and small. Is that what she said? I don't know. Not to me. Boom, boom, boom. Grab these bad boys. Same thing as the strawberries. Slap them back in your bowl. I've got my mango in this bowl. They're already pre-cut up because I wanted to. Now that everything's cut up and already prepared, let's take a break. That was some hard work. Now that everything's prepared, we've taken a wine break. Let's get the acai out. We're gonna put the bowl, bang. Oh, baby, looking good. Next up, we're gonna grab some of our strawberries, line them up on this side right here. B-A-N-A-N-A-N. I think I have honey oat granola, and we're just gonna sprinkle this in here. Mangoes, let's take a wine break. Don't forget the wine break. Chia seeds are essential. If you don't know what chia seeds are, power food, gas. You're just gonna sprinkle them on top of your bowl. And this bad boy is looking ready to eat, so wine break. Let's go to the table. Alrighty people, let's give this bad boy a try, huh? Just let it sit in. Just let it, Just let it, Wow. If you guys tried this at home, please let me know. I want to know what you guys think about it. If you want to see more of these, drop a comment, drop a like. Maybe I'll do one every other week. Who knows? This has been your favorite cooking show in the heckin' world, man. So drop a like for the kids, Chefboi RK, and I'll see you later, maybe.